26287 East U.S. Highway 64 in forested Taos Canyon is just 8.5 miles from Taos Plaza. Living area features large picture windows with forest views and offers an open floor concept perfect for entertaining. Southwest style features decorative corbels, saltillo tile, and vigas with tongue-and-groove ceilings that add warmth and beauty to this living space. A spacious dining area features large picture windows that provide natural light and beautiful forest views. Kitchen includes an eat-in kitchen island for casual dining and additional prep space, stainless steel appliances, custom concrete countertops with slate tile accents, and knotty alder cabinets that provide ample storage. Bright master bedroom provides access to a private south-facing deck. Deck, located off the master bedroom, is surrounded by national forest views. Ensuite master bathroom has custom cabinets, sink basin, and shower. The second guest bedroom has a skylight, built-in shelving, and private deck with views of the forest. The shared guest bathroom includes great cabinet storage, natural light, and custom touches. An upstairs family room opens to a deck and offers a flexible space. Included on the property is a one-bedroom log cabin that is perfect for guests, vacation rentals, or caretaker quarters. Guest log cabin features open living and dining area off of the kitchen and entry with wood stove. Guest cabin kitchen includes cabinet storage, refrigerator, and an electric range. Private guest cabin bedroom features a vaulted ceiling, windows which provide plenty of natural light, and built-in shelving. Cabin bedroom loft provides additional storage or sleeping space. Guest cabin has a bathroom and laundry area. Outside entertaining area features both a wood deck and cobblestone paver patio for hours of enjoyment with friends and family. This 6.82 acre property borders the Carson National Forest and offers panoramic forest views, making this a terrific family vacation or retirement home.